Latai, and I'm a World Studies teacher at 9GA. We are doing Model United Nations, which is an awesome, real, hands-on learning experience. Throughout the 9th grade, kids are studying human rights in world studies. They're studying human rights in different areas of the world, how human rights have been violated, and how to stand up for injustice. Every student at 9GA will do a 4-week unit on Model United Nations. They learn about the United Nations, how the United Nations works, and its goal to, create peace and cooperation among the world. Then every cohort, we're separated into 7 cohorts at 9GA, has its own Model United Nations simulation. So every single student at 9GA gets to do this. It's an incredible experience. And then the award winners from each cohort then goes to the award winners Model United Nations simulation here at Northern Essex Community College to do like the award winners simulation. So we assign them their countries. Part of that is because we think it's really important for kids to think in multiple perspectives. So when we give them a country, they have to kind of like become that country. They learn about that country, they study that country, they figure out what is that country doing well and where does that country need help.
Hello, my name is Dario Rosario. I am currently a 9th grade student at Lawrence High Campus, and today we are at Northern Essex Community College talking about the current global issue of child soldiers. Every student takes place in the Model UN, and each person or the 2 people would be set a country and they would have to represent and figure out the background information and other information they need to be able to sound professional in the moderated and unmoderated caucus, which is basically like a discussion on how everything would on the issue, on solving the issue, and on how to prevent it from happening again.
It's kind of different than a debate, because a debate there's a winner and a loser. Here they're trying to work together while representing all these different countries. Some of them have child soldiers, some of them violate human rights on the regular, and they have to come together and create one common solution that they all agree on. So it's really cool.
So my name is Delaney Laura. I'm from the 9J Academy in Lawrence High, and I'm here with my World Studies teacher, and we're doing MUN, which is Model United Nations. And I feel like it's a good experience. It's something that can take you, it's a great way for you to move from middle school to high school, because it's a huge difference, especially your freshman year. And with MUN, it really shows you what it is from being a high school student to being a college student in just overnight.
Award winners are selected on in multiple categories. You can get an award for being a good public speaker, for best negotiators, best representation of your country, best position paper where you write out your country's position on the issue. So there's multiple ways that students can get an award, but the whole idea of Model UN is that it's not just focusing on one skill. Students are strengthening so many different skills. Their reading skills, their research skills, their writing skills, their negotiation skills, public speaking skills. It's really a multifaceted learning experience.
Well, going out is awesome. Who doesn't? Nobody wants to be in school. But I think that the biggest thing about MUN is it's not small anymore. It's not just a little discussion in class, a little Harkness with our little classes. It's about taking a topic that is going on around the world and letting people all over the school and letting people all over the world understand that this is going on. And you really get into it. Like when we were first decided to have child soldiers, I was like, it really wasn't that big of a deal to me. And then I found out the way that female soldiers are treated, and I was very passionate about it. And this is more than just getting out of class. It's about bringing awareness, like I said before. So it's more than just having a discussion. It's about bringing awareness.
Next year you're going to be in Model UN, and the best advice I would give you is to always know what to say in case someone brings up a topic you did not research. Have fun.
We are so excited for you all to be joining us and to be able to do this incredibly awesome, rewarding, challenging, rigorous, but also really exciting experience.